Hey YouTube, welcome to the eLab, the channel for beginner and intermediate electronic hobbyists. And today we're going to be talking about the tilt switch and how to use it in a circuit. Okay, let's get started. Today I want to talk about the tilt switch. It almost looks like a capacitor or even a resistor. It's very small. Right now I have my meter hooked up to it, so I want to show you how to find out which way the tilt is on it. This particular tilt switch has a little ball and a spring inside it, and when it turns a certain way, the ball rolls down and makes contact with the spring and allows the current to flow through the component. So I got my meter here, and we'll put it on continuity. And as you can see, the meter here, and as I tilt it, there you go. And as I go back up, it goes off. As I tilt it to the right again, off, tilt it, goes off. So there, as you can see, and that's how you determine which way you want to use it in your circuit. So I know I want to, if I tilt it to the right, my power will flow through. If I tilt my circuit to the left, the power will stay off. So let's go ahead and take a look on a breadboard how to use the tilt switch. Move that to the side. So for this project, we're going to need some wire. We're going to need 2 resistors and 2 LEDs. Okay. And we'll need, of course, a breadboard and a 9-volt battery. I already have 2 tilt switches on the breadboard, and what I did is I have the tilt switch tilted at an angle. If I were to put them straight, the ball would kind of just move around as you're handling the breadboard, and it won't get an accurate reading. So I leave them at a slight angle, so when I tilt it, it will give a definite reading off the tilt switch, and when I go the other way. These are both facing opposite directions, so I'll get a signal when I go to the left, and I'll get a signal when I tilt to the right. So what we'll do is we'll use LEDs to show how the tilt switch is working. So first thing I want to do here is I'm going to jump a negative across here so that I get a negative all the way across the board here. Because breadboards will have a cut in the middle here where if I don't have this in there, only this half has power and this is not showing anything. So I need to jump it so I have power going across, so it looks like that. So now we're going to put a resistor onto each of the tilt switches. We got one on the right tilt switch. I'm going to put one on the left tilt switch. Just like that. And then I'm going to take an LED and I'm going to go from the long leg of the LED to the other side of the resistor, and then the short leg I'm going to put on the negative. There we go. And then I'm going to take the same thing on the other LED. I'll take the long leg, the anoid of the LED, and put that on the resistor side, and I'll take the short leg and put that on the negative side. And the last step to do is take another wire and go from the positive, and you're going to want to go in between these 2 tilt switches. These 2 tilt switches are touching on this side. All I'm going to do is put power there And you can see the red LED turns on when I tilt it that way. Oh, well, that's not working there. Why not? What did I do wrong? Oh, I missed it in the hole there. Should have had my glasses on. There we go. So as you can see, when I tilt that way, the red light comes on. When I tilt that way, the blue light comes on. Hopefully you can see that on the close-up camera. Tilt it that way, the red light comes on. Tilt it the opposite way, the blue light comes on. And what that's doing is the ball in this tilt switch is now rolling to this end, allowing the power to pass through to the resistor onto the LED. And then the same thing will happen when I tilt it this way. There we go. The ball is rolling down, passing through, and going to the LED. And that's what's happening with each one. So in the comments below, type in how you would use a tilt switch if you've used them, or any ideas you have with a tilt switch, and I'll comment back if I get a chance. And thank you for watching, and always go to our website, which is listed below, for all our free schematics. And if you'd like to help out this channel, please buy one of our books on electronics. And I'll see you next time on the eLab. Thanks for watching.